In this episode, I will install the GIVI Radiator guard on the NC750X. Coming up! In the package we have the radiator guard with a rubber bushing to keep the guard away from the radiator. There is also a rubber sealing to prevent the guard from rattling against the radiator. There is one bolt to attach the guard, the other one is the OEM that is already on the bike. Then there are two cable ties to attach the lower end of the guard. And there are simple and clear instructions about how to attach the guard to the bike. Cut the rubber seal to fit the edges of the guard. Unscrew the bolt on the top of the radiator. There is only a bolt on one side, the other one comes with the GIVI guard. I didn't want to force the cable tie through the radiator, so I hooked it around the frame that holds the radiator. Then reattach the OEM bolt at the top of the radiator. And on the other side, attach the bolt that came with the guard. Then tighten the cable tie. And finally tighten the bolts. I couldn't find a suitable spot to attach the cable tie on the other side, but I think it will stay in place nicely with just one. I might try with thinner cable ties that you don't have to force through the radiator. This is how it looks installed and ready to take some hard hits from flying rocks. Subscribe so you don't miss the next NC upgrade, and hit the like button if you want to see more of these tutorials.